Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need two things in place: admin access and the monitor connected by its proper cable. Right now, right-click the desktop and open Screen Resolution. This gets you where change is live. Once done, check which monitor is active if you have two displays, and note the current resolution number and orientation. Make sure the correct monitor is selected in the display drop-down. This first step locates the control panel, so you can safely change resolution without guessing. Now change the resolution to the recommended value shown. This matches your monitor's native pixels, so the image is sharp. If the recommended option is missing, click Advanced Settings and use adapter right arrow list all modes to access legacy resolutions and refresh rates. Select a mode that matches the monitor's native specs. Apply the change and watch the screen. Windows asks you to confirm within 15 seconds, so confirm if it looks right. If not, Windows will revert, which is a safety net. Finish by ensuring the graphics driver is current. Open Device Manager, expand display adapters, and update the driver or install the manufacturer's package. Once the driver is correct, adjust scaling under Control Panel, right arrow appearance and personalization, right arrow display to correct icon and text size. Make sure monitor on-screen settings are reset to defaults if things look off. If problems persist, try a different cable or boot into safe mode to rule out software conflicts. This isolates driver issues versus hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.